The cabinet also discussed the issue of procurement of GI pipes and the Jal Jeevan mission from other manufacturing units to meet the supply shortage, since the Bernihard unit cannot meet such demands.
Procurement of GI pipes under Jal Jeevan mission. See, what happened was all these years, PHE they used to procure GI pipe directly from the NE zone manufacturing unit located in our state, located at Berniha. So, in view of the increase in demand of pipes due to the implementation of Jal Jeevan mission, this very manufacturing unit supply capacity is less, is lesser than the demand capacity. So therefore, ultimately, the cabinet has approved the proposal of the PHE department to meet up those shortfall where the manufacturing unit located at Bernihan, because they cannot supply the entire quantity of pipes. So therefore, we allow PHE department to also procure these GI pipes from other manufacturing units to meet the challenges of supply shortage.